Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to become a QuickBooks bookkeeper. First, understand that bookkeepers manage daily financial transactions for businesses. You'll learn to use QuickBooks software, which is a leading tool for this work. We'll cover the core skills required, from basic accounting principles to advanced software features. This path offers flexibility and strong demand for skilled professionals. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a proficient QuickBooks bookkeeper. To excel, you must first master accounting fundamentals, including debits, credits, and financial statements. Next, gain hands-on proficiency with both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. Many resources, like online courses and tutorials, can help you achieve this. Pursuing a certification, such as the QuickBooks Certified User, can significantly boost your resume. These steps build a solid foundation for your bookkeeping career. Gaining practical experience is crucial. Consider internships or offering services to small businesses. This hands-on work solidifies your understanding and builds confidence. Achieving QuickBooks Pro Advisor certification demonstrates your expertise to potential clients and employers. It also provides access to valuable resources and support. Networking with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations in the field. With your skills and experience, you can explore diverse career paths, from working for an accounting firm to becoming a freelance bookkeeper. Many opportunities exist for remote work, offering great flexibility. Effectively market your services by highlighting your QuickBooks expertise and client successes. Remember to stay current with evolving accounting standards and software updates to remain competitive and valuable in the market.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.